Hey, let's talk about getting rich while literally putting people to sleep. I'm dead serious. The flashy, disruptive startups? 70% crash and burn. But the real money? It's hiding in businesses so boring, your grandma would yawn. Let's break down 15 snooze-fest hustles that'll have you stacking cash, while everyone else chases TikTok trends. Laundromats, but make it this year. Yeah, laundry. Not sexy, but guess what? People always need clean underwear. Drop coin-op machines in apartment complexes. Charge $3 a load. Not staff. Just an app that texts you when Karen's yoga pants are done. My cousin in Miami clears $3 a load. Not staff. Just an app that texts you when Karen's yoga pants are done. My cousin in Miami clears $1K per month off 2 machines. Boom. Passive income. Parking lot pressure washing. Dirt's free. Cleaning it? 200 pop. Buy 200 a pop. Buy 300 pressure washer. Hit up gas stations and strip malls. Post before, after clips on TikTok. Free marketing. Your competition? A dude named Dave with a garden hose. Porta-Potty Empire. Hear me out. Festivals, construction sites, and suburban BBQs need these. Rent M for $100 per week. Partner with event planners. Bonus. Name them something hilarious. Royal Flush VIP Suite. Dumpster rental. Construction sites and hoarders pay $300 per month to rent a dumpster. Buy a few. List them on Craigslist. Your job? Answer calls and cash checks. Office plant maintenance. Rich companies pay $50 per month to keep their ferns alive. Water plants. Trim leaves. Pretend you're a botanical consultant. Low effort. High margins. Vending machines for gluten-free kale chips. Stock protein bars in gyms. $3 each. Refill weekly. Find spots with foot traffic. Hospitals, colleges. Pro tip. Add a card reader. Nobody carries quarters. Trash can cleaning. Yes, this exists. Charge $10 per month to power wash suburban trash bins. It's gross, but Karens love a spotless garbage can. Mobile car detailing. Wash SUVs and driveways. Charge $100 per car. All you need, soap, a vacuum, and Instagram before and after. Your minivans never looked this fire, Becky. 9. HVAC Repair. AC breaks in July? You're a hero. Get certified. Charge $150 per hour. Every homeowner's nightmare equals your golden ticket. Pest control bugs don't care about recessions. Offer monthly spray contracts. Upcharge for organic spider repellent. Storage units, but tiny. Rent closet-sized spaces for $50 per month. Target city dwellers with too much IKEA furniture. Bonus. Sell locks and packing tape. Commercial cleaning. Office buildings always need vacuuming. Bid on contracts. Hire part-timers. Take 30% off the top. Night shifts equals zero drama. Handyman services. Fix leaky faucets. Hang TVs. Build IKEA shelves. Charge $80 per hour. Be the guy landlords call at 2 a.m. Parking spot arbitrage. Rent your driveway. Near a stadium? Charge $50 on game days. Park next to my trash cans? That'll be $50 on game days. Park next to my trash cans? That'll be $20. Grease trap cleaning. Gross? Yes. Profitable? Hell yes. Restaurants pay $300 per month to avoid clogged drains. Suit up and get scrubbing. Why this works. Boring equals predictable. No influencers, no trends, just recurring bills. Start small, scale slow, and let compound interest do the rest. Subscribe, because next week I'm dropping how to turn a lawnmower into a $10,000 per month empire. Miss it, and you'll stay stuck in a 9-to-5 matrix. If this helped, want to help me make a difference? Your Patreon support allows me to keep delivering high-value content to the world. Go get boring. Get rich.